Hey y'all, it's your girl Takira back with another video, and today I will be doing 2 puffs and then the back will be out. So basically half of it will be up and then the back will be out. So I'm gonna put some pictures on the screen so y'all can see the difference of when I first cut my hair and then how it is now. But anyway, let's get into it.
brother, this guy stinks!
Calls and violations and timeshares, while others
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video of me doing my hair. And my Instagram is different. It's simply, I'll put it on the screen, but basically my Instagram got hacked, so I had to make a new account. So that's why it doesn't, like, that's why my Instagram it's underscore dot Takira with 2 I's and 3 R's no more with the dot underscore, because it got hacked. Basically, long story short, don't be clicking on them random links. I don't know why I did that, but you know, you learn. It's a lesson learned or whatever. So yeah, my new Instagram will be like in all the descriptions. Like, I'll change it. I think I already did change it, but yeah, so it's simply.kiirrra with 2 I's and 3 R's. And make sure to subscribe so you can be a part of Kiirrra Nation, because in Kiirrra Nation we don't be playing, we be slaying. Bye y'all.
Gotcha, bitch!